Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a different type of video. Today we are going to do a DIY flower wall. As you guys can see, this is super blank right behind me and I feel like I need something there. But we're gonna go ahead and do it with fall floral vibes kind of color because I am tired of this blank wall right behind me. So we are going to do it together. And I haven't done this before, so my first trial is with you guys, and this is going to be amazing and great. We're just going to do this starting right now. Okay, so let's get started. First, you need some wire cutters. We got them at Menards. Where can you buy wire cutters?
Any
home store? Home Depot, Lowe's, what kind of stores? Or warehouses?
Anywhere, honestly, like Walmart. Walmart has them.
Just make sure they have like a little blade?
Yeah, just make sure they're actual. Turn it the other way.
Oh.
Yeah, because if it goes to a cave, it caves in, it comes to a sharp point.
It's not focusing. Well, it's sharp. And then of course you gotta get some flowers. I bought these from Dollar Tree. I actually got some more flowers from Walmart. I feel like the ones from Walmart are a little bit bigger, so they take more space on the flower wall. So that's why I went with Walmart. They're having like a sale right now. Some are like $3 or $1. So I got those. And of course more flowers and garland. I am going with like a whole fall vibes kind of theme. So let me twist you guys. Say hi, Bebe. I'm actually zooming in on you right now, sorry. Here are some flowers already cut up right here. Don't judge us, you guys. We're barely moving in and we don't have a couch yet. It doesn't come until like, well, it doesn't come in until like September, right? Oh, and obviously you need one of these boards. Turn you guys right now. Bebe, what is that called?
Pegboard?
A pegboard. So one with the holes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can actually zoom in on that. Whoa. How did I do that earlier? Let's see. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is a wall with holes on it. So just remember that, a wall with holes. So once you get your flowers, you're gonna obviously remove this tag. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Bada boom, bada bing. And just throw on the floor right now. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to push the leaves right onto the top, just because with the pegboard, you're not gonna need a lot of like the stem and everything. We are actually going to use super glue, but we don't have super glue with us right now, so we have to go buy super glue tomorrow. Someone forgot.
No, we're not using super glue, we're hot glue.
Oh, hot glue, hot glue. Almost the same thing, almost. Almost, I said almost. Okay, now you're gonna go ahead and snip. You can go long or short, it doesn't really matter, just because when you hot glue them, it's gonna be like on the back of the flowers to the holes. So yeah, but for me, I kind of like it a little bit short where it has some stems. Let me just...
And we're also winging.
Yeah, I know, I told them that we're winging this, a little DIY, we're winging it all together. He loves me, he loves me not.
What the? You start it when you first did.
I feel like I should put a flower in my hair.
Well, yeah, first walked off down close to blueberry pancakes.
This side means you're single.
You? Yeah. Seem like an 8 home in the morning.
How you like this?
Hawaiian.
Okay, let's try this one.
It's way too big.
Okay, it's too big, so this one?
It's like a boil. It's like you just have something growing on your head.
Remember to push the leaves up towards the flower and then cut them very, very, very short to save time at the end. Hello you guys. Okay, so today is day 2. I got pretty lazy yesterday because I was like, I don't have a hot glue gun, I don't want to finish my board, but now I actually have my glue gun. So this is how my board looks like right now. I actually did get more flowers right behind me. I really needed like more white ones because I feel like my board was more like orangey and red, and I was like, I need to add some white because my name means white flowering mong, and it's just a great match to do my board with. And here is the final results. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY with me fall floral wall. If you guys decide to do this, please tweet me at PinkyVoo, all social medias at PinkyVoo, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.